for you.
Cleo's first car wash.
Yeah, I think the mirrors should be fine. Is that supposed to be getting on my car right now? Oh. What the hell's that thing doing? It's completely missing a car right now. Ain't it? Oh, that's a pressure wash. I think it's the thing that makes it right here, you know, is the dryer.
You're driving too fast.
How much time do I have? I don't know. If you go too slow, sometimes they just kick off. They could always back up. Yeah, it just shuts down.
Yay, Cleo!